Toyota hybrids have earned a reputation that swings wildly between two extremes. Some owners swear they are bulletproof machines that never break down, the safest and most economical choice on the road, while others dismiss them as overpriced Priuses that sacrifice driving enjoyment and hide massive future battery replacement costs. The reality sits comfortably in the middle. These vehicles are neither miracle machines nor hidden disasters. They are sophisticated, well-engineered systems that deliver impressive reliability and efficiency when understood and maintained properly. Many buyers either overpay for peace of mind they don't fully need or walk away from solid opportunities because of myths they've heard online. This deeper look at how Toyota hybrids actually work will help you separate fact from fiction, avoid costly surprises, and make smarter decisions whether you are shopping for a new or used model. Toyota has been refining hybrid technology for more than a quarter century. The first Prius arrived in the late 1990s, and since then, millions of these vehicles have logged extraordinary distances in the hands of everyday drivers, taxi fleets, and high-mileage commuters. At the heart of the system is the hybrid transaxle, a remarkably simple and robust design compared to traditional automatic transmissions. It uses a planetary gear set combined with electric motors instead of complex clutches, bands, or multiple gear ratios. With far fewer moving parts subject to wear, the transaxle has proven itself incredibly durable over hundreds of thousands of kilometers when basic maintenance is followed. The electric motors and battery pack are managed conservatively by the vehicle's software. The battery is never allowed to charge or discharge fully, staying within a safe middle range that dramatically reduces stress on the cells. Dedicated cooling systems keep the battery, inverter, and power electronics at optimal temperatures, preventing the heat buildup that destroys electronics faster than almost anything else. This careful thermal management and conservative operation explain why so many original hybrid components in taxi Priuses continue working reliably well past 300,000 or even 500,000 kilometers. Yet, it is important to understand that a Toyota hybrid is not some indestructible appliance. While the hybrid drivetrain itself stands out for longevity, the rest of the car follows the same rules as any other vehicle. Suspension components wear out, engines can develop oil consumption if oil changes are neglected, body panels and undercarriages can rust in salty or humid environments, and conventional electronics or sensors can fail over time. Regular maintenance remains essential. The hybrid system does not magically protect brake lines, struts, or wheel bearings. Treating the entire vehicle as if the hybrid badge grants immunity from normal wear will eventually lead to disappointment. The core hybrid technology is among the most reliable powertrain solutions available, but everything else behaves exactly like it would in a conventional Toyota. One of the most persistent myths surrounds the hybrid battery itself. Countless forum posts and videos claim that every Toyota hybrid battery fails around 100,000 miles and costs a small fortune to replace. In practice, the story is far more encouraging. Older models typically use nickel metal hydride battery packs, while newer ones have shifted toward lithium-ion. The chemistry matters less than how Toyota engineers the system to protect it. By limiting the state of charge to a narrow, gentle window and providing active cooling, the battery experiences minimal stress. Real-world data from long-term owners and fleet operators shows that most Prius and Camry hybrid batteries comfortably reach 10 to 15 years or 200,000 to 300,000 miles before showing noticeable degradation. Failures below 150,000 miles on a well-maintained vehicle are uncommon. As the battery ages, its capacity gradually declines. Electric assist becomes less aggressive, the gasoline engine runs more frequently, and overall fuel economy slowly drops. This process is normal and predictable rather than sudden. Several factors influence how long the battery lasts. Consistent maintenance of the cooling system is critical. Blocked air intakes, failed cooling fans, or driving in extremely hot climates without attention to ventilation can accelerate wear. Heavy stop-and-go traffic in scorching heat or repeated short trips that prevent proper warm-up also take a toll. Conversely, vehicles used primarily for longer highway journeys in moderate conditions often see the battery hold up exceptionally well.
When degradation does occur, it rarely leaves the car stranded. The vehicle continues to drive safely on the gasoline engine alone, though with reduced efficiency and power. Warning lights may appear, and the driver will notice the engine cycling on more often, but the car remains perfectly usable. The cost of addressing a weakening battery is another area where online horror stories diverge from reality. Dealer quotes for a brand new original equipment manufacturer battery pack can indeed reach $5,000, $6,000, or even $7,000, depending on the model and region. However, most owners never pay anywhere near that amount. A thriving aftermarket has developed around popular Toyota hybrids, especially the Prius. Independent hybrid specialists offer professionally rebuilt packs where only the degraded modules are replaced with high-quality cells, bringing the total cost down to roughly $1,500 to $3,000 in many cases. In some situations, technicians can isolate and swap just the weakest individual modules rather than the entire pack. These rebuilt solutions often restore nearly full performance and come with solid warranties. Because battery failures are usually gradual rather than catastrophic, owners have time to research options and avoid panic purchases. The hybrid battery should be viewed as a normal wear item, similar to a timing belt, clutch, or catalytic converter on a conventional car. With Toyota's conservative management, it simply tends to last much longer than many people expect. The gasoline engine in a Toyota hybrid is also engineered differently from its non-hybrid counterparts, and these differences contribute significantly to overall longevity. Many hybrid engines employ an Atkinson cycle approach or similar efficiency-focused tuning. This design prioritizes fuel economy and smooth operation over raw peak power. The electric motors provide strong low-end torque to compensate, so the car still delivers responsive acceleration when needed. Crucially, the engine does not run continuously. In city driving, it frequently shuts off completely during stops or low-speed cruising, only firing up when additional power is required, or when the battery needs recharging. This on and off behavior reduces total operating time, cuts down on high RPM stress, and minimizes unnecessary idling. Traditional starter motors and alternators are largely eliminated because the hybrid system handles those functions more efficiently and with less mechanical wear. There is, however, a caveat to this intermittent operation. In cold climates or with owners who only make very short trips, the engine may never reach full operating temperature on a regular basis. This can lead to moisture condensation inside the engine and potential oil dilution over time if oil change intervals are not adjusted accordingly. Neglecting oil changes or using poor quality oil can still cause problems, including gradual oil consumption in some 1.8-liter engines found in earlier Prius models. Yet under normal mixed driving conditions with proper servicing, the hybrid engine often accumulates less overall wear than a conventional gasoline engine covering the same distance. Many high-mileage examples show remarkably clean and tight engines even after 200,000 or 300,000 kilometers. If you drive the car 200,000 miles and spread that cost over the full distance, it works out to about 2 cents per mile. For someone driving 15,000 miles a year, that's roughly $25 a month, easily offset by the fuel savings a hybrid delivers. Real-world experience backs this up. In shops and dealerships, it's very common to see Toyota hybrids still running strong on their original battery well past 200,000 miles. If you're shopping for a used Toyota hybrid, here's what to keep in mind. Don't automatically chase the lowest mileage application. Hybrids don't like sitting idle. A low-mileage car that's been rarely driven can actually have a more tired battery than one with higher but consistent miles. The sweet spot is a well-maintained hybrid with average mileage and a clear service history. City driving is generally easier on the battery than long stretches of high-speed highway use. If the previous owner mostly cruised at 80+ miles per hour, the battery may have worked harder than normal. If the car is 10 to 15 years old or has over 200,000 miles, it's smart to budget for a possible battery replacement in the near future. At that point, $3,000 to $4,000 is normal and expected. Beyond the battery, hybrids have some underrated advantages. Many traditional wear items, starter, alternator, drive belts, either don't exist or last much longer. Regenerative braking means your brake pads can easily last 150 to 200,000 miles. The hybrid transmission is incredibly durable, and other maintenance items like the inverter coolant and battery fan filter are cheap and easy to service. So, are hybrids actually worth it? It depends on you. If you plan to keep the car long-term, drive it regularly, and maintain it properly, a Toyota Hybrid can be an extremely reliable, efficient, and cost-effective choice. The battery, while expensive when it eventually needs replacing, often pays for itself through years of better fuel economy. With good care, keeping the battery, fan, and filter clean, using the AC when it's hot, and following the maintenance schedule, many owners easily get 200,000 plus miles from the original battery. Hybrids aren't perfect for everyone. If you love aggressive acceleration and spirited driving, they might feel a bit tame. But for everyday commuting, family use, and maximizing efficiency with minimal hassle, Toyota hybrids remain one of the smartest choices on the road. In the end, understanding the system and taking simple steps to care for it makes all the difference.